This isn't a brothel. Hi, what? That's Taylor. I didn't even notice her. I didn't know her and Brody were dating. I'm Taylor, and there's literally nothing interesting about me. I think it's Frank. I'm Brody, and I love women. Please. I'm Mike. I also definitely like women. That boy is so gay.
I'm Faye. Let's see, one time I won an award.
Wow, what kind of award?
Oh, it was, an Emmy.
She's also won a Golden Globe.
I'm sorry, what? I was a child actor. It's not a big deal. I'm retired.
Retired? Mrs. Assman, take notes.